Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So today we are going to continue with lesson 9. Alhamdulillah, we already did the first part, which is part Alif. And we did the exercise. And these vocabulary words were your homework. So today, inshallah, we are going to do the second part, continue with the second part. Since we are doing the class after Ramadan, after quite a few weeks, so I would like to revise something. Okay, I would like to revise something and tell me something about the fragments we already learned. Okay.
Mm.
So how many fragments we already learned? First is that comes into your mind.
We learned about mudafile.
Okay, mudafile, which is idafa. Okay. Another combination or fragment that we learned.
We learned about mawsuf sifa.
Excellent. Mawsuf sifa. So in mudafile, what's the condition of mudaf?
The position in mudaf in idafa.
Yeah. But what's the condition? Mudaf is light or heavy?
Light.
Light and no al.
Yeah, no alif lam.
No alif lam. Okay. And what about mudafile?
Mudafile
Is always
jar.
yes. So that's the thing you need to remember all the time. And then mawsuf sifa, what about specific about mawsuf sifa?
All the four properties are the same.
MashaAllah. Excellent. All properties or four properties match. Okay. All four properties match. Okay. Another fragment that you learned.
We also learned the pointer fragment.
Pointer fragment. Excellent. What is pointer fragment?
The pointer fragment is with a pointer ism at the beginning.
Pointer ism with an ism is beginning with al. Beginning with al. Okay. So that's a pointerism. Right? Okay. Now another fragment that you learn.
Another fragment is we learned, so we already did 3, and then was there any more?
Yeah. What about harf jar, special mudaf, harf of nasb?
Well, is harf jar
harf of jar fragment? About jar plus
jar majroor?
yeah, So what is special about it?
That the first word is harf jar,
Yes.
and after harf jar comes ism majroor.
Yeah. Ism majroor means the ism that is in which status?
Jar.
Jar status. When an ism is in jar it status, it is called majroor. Okay. It is
Yes.
jarified. Okay. So it is called majroor. Okay. Uh, Fifth one. I think we learned harf of nasb fragment. Did we or not?
I don't know.
Inna, anna, ka anna, bi anna. Did we learn?
I don't think so.
No. In Madinah book, I think we until lesson 9 we haven't learned harf of nasb. Okay, inshallah we'll learn when it will come in the next few chapters, inshallah. So far we learned these fragments. So take a note or take a picture of this, so that, and this is your homework, that you need to know all these fragments and their characteristic. Okay,
Okay.
so take a picture
Mm-hmm.
and tell me, as we go through this lesson, the second part of this lesson, you are going to tell me in every sentence, you are going to tell me which fragment do you see, which fragment do you find. Okay, and in this part, in this lesson, in this part of lesson 9, we are going to learn a new thing also. Okay, a new topic also. Okay, let's start. Read this first sentence.
Um, I أين المدرس?
Yes, Ainal Mudarrisu. So what does it mean?
Where is the teacher?
Yeah, where is the teacher? Okay. Now, huwa fil fasli.
He is in the muscle.
In the fasl means class. Okay. We are not going to analyze question sentences, but we are going to analyze this one, or even in if we find some fragment in question sentences, we can identify those fragments. Okay, huwa fil fasli. Do you see a fragment here?
Yes.
Which one?
Fil fasli.
Fil fasli. Which fragment is this?
Is it jar majroor?
Yes, jar majroor. Excellent. Okay, now wa aina al mudarrisul jadidu?
And where is the teacher's what? What's
Jadidu
jadid?
means new. New.
Where's the new teacher?
Okay, and where is the new teacher? Do you see a fragment out of these 4 types of fragment? Do you see any kind of fragment, any kind of combination? Aina is question word. Okay, just leave it.
Mudarrisul jadid.
Yeah, can it be mudaf mudafila? The first one has al before it.
No.
It cannot be mudaf mudafila. Can it be harf of jar fragment?
No.
No, because there's no harf in both are ism. Okay. Can it be a pointer fragment?
No.
Because there's no pointer fragment. Haza, hazihi, zalika, tilka. Okay. Ulaik. Now, Mawsuf sifa. Do they match?
Oh, yes.
How? What is the status? STNG,
Uh,
STNG.
Rafa.
SNGT, sorry, SNGT. Status, number, gender type, SNGT. Okay. So what's the SNGT of these two?
Is Rafa
Mm-hmm.
singular?
Okay. Rafa, singular.
Male?
Okay. Masculine.
Masculine?
What about type? Common or proper?
Uh, common?
Are you sure? Both are
No.
starting with al.
Oh no, proper.
Okay. Obviously, if it's not common, then it's proper. And the thing is, everything that comes with al is proper. All pronouns are proper, right? All isme ishara, all pointerism are proper. Okay. So aina al mudarrisul jadidu. Mudarrisul jadidu, that is mawsuf sifa. Okay. Huwa indal mudiri.
He is in the
Inda means with or near.
he is with the principal.
Okay, he is with the principal. Do you see a fragment here?
Uh, mm, uh, in the Mudiri.
Excellent. Indal mudiri. Which fragment?
It's geometry.
Inda is not jar. Harfjar.
Oh, then
Harfjar are bi, ta, kaf, lam, wa, min, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila.
then it would be mudaf ilayh.
Which type of mudaf?
Oh, which type?
Yeah, it's a any. Have you heard of a special mudaf?
I think so, but I don't remember what it is.
A special mudaf like khalfa. We already did it, I think, in lesson 7. Khalfa, amama, ba'da, inda, tahta, fawqa. Remember? So these are special mudaf and they have mudaf ilayh. So huwa indal mudiri, he is
Yes, with the principal.
principal. Okay. Now aina talibul jadid.
Where is the new uh,
Talib is a student,
student?
the new student. And can you identify a fragment, 2-word compound?
Uh, Talibul Jadidu.
Which compound? Which fragment? Which compound?
Masu Sifa.
Yes, mawsuf sifa. Same, just like al mudarrisul jadidu, at talibul jadidu. Same construction, right? Okay. Dhahaba ilal maktabati. Dhahaba is a fail. And let me tell you, because we haven't done a fail yet. So Zahaba is he went. Okay. Aina talibul jadidi. Aina talibul jadidu. Where is the new student? Zahaba, he went. Ilal maktabati. Ila, what is ila?
Two.
To. Al maktabati is to library or office. Okay. So ilal maktabati, he went to,
He went to the library.
yeah, he went to the library. And ilal maktabati is what? Which fragment?
Uh, uh, it has Hashjar, so John Majrur.
Yes, it's jar majroor fragment. Excellent. Okay. So these fragments, alhamdulillah, you identified. You need to somehow work on proper and common nouns, revise those. What are proper nouns? And if you don't find any reason for being it proper, then it's a common noun. Okay. Now the next sentence, we have a new topic, new type of word. Okay. So man dhalika, dhalika, you know, right? Man is,
Man is who?
man is who. Dhalika is,
Uh, this.
this is
That.
haza. Haza is this. Dhalika is,
Huh? That.
haza means this. Zalika is
That.
that. Okay. So
Mhm.
dhalika is that. Ar-rajulu,
Uh, I forgot.
ar-rajulu,
I forgot.
the man. Rajulu, the man. Zalika rajulu, that man. Do you see a fragment here?
Uh, um, is there a pointer fragment?
Yes, it is pointer fragment. Okay. Zalika, who is that man? At-tawilu, tall.
Uh, who is
At-tawilu
that
means tall.
tall
So
man?
do you see, and do you see another fragment coming on? Ar-rajulu tawilu.
Yeah, Susifa.
Yes, Mawsuf Sifa. So this is Mawsuf Sifa. Who is that tall man? Okay. Man zalika rajulu tawilu. Who is that tall man? Now this allazi is a new word. This allazi means the one who. Okay. It means the one who. Okay.
Mm.
And the one who. So this is a new word. Kharaja. Kharaja, again, just like Zahaba, it's a past tense. Kharaja, the one who came out, or the one who exited. Al-ana, now. Who exited just now? Minal madrasati. You know this, the meaning of minal madrasati. Who exited just now from,
Uh,
don't you? Don't you know? Minal madrasati?
uh, is it the principal's office?
No, madrasa is a school.
Oh.
Who just came out of the school, who just exited the school, or who is coming out of the school. Okay. So what's the meaning of the whole sentence?
Who is that tall man that just came out of the school?
who just came out of the school. So that's the meaning of this sentence. Okay. Do you see another fragment besides these two? Zalika rajulu and arajulu tawilu.
Um, mm, ja, um, well,
Araja is fail. Obviously, it's not a ism fragment. Al-ana is telling you the time. It's a separate word. Al-lazi is also separate. It's a connector ism. What about minal madrasati?
yes, but it would be Mina is not Harsha, right?
Sorry,
Mina is not Harsha,
min is harfjar.
right?
Min is harfjar.
Oh,
It's min, and
then
because there
it's
is al, so
Jarmatri.
yeah, this is jar majroor. Okay, because this is harf and madrasati is in jar status. So minal madrasati, this is jar majroor. Okay, so this allazi, the one who, this is a connector ism. This is a special ism. Remember when we were doing kind of proper ism, we did this thing. All connector isms are always proper. Three types of words are always proper. All pronouns, right? All pronouns. Okay, let me write it over here. Three types of words, three types of ism, always proper. What are they? All pronouns. Then pointer ism. Hada, hazihi, hada, hazihi, zalika, tilka. Hada, hazihi, hada, hazihi, haulai, zalika, tilka, ulaika. Okay. Now, third type of ism which are always proper, and those are connector ism or ism mawsul. Say it with me. Connector ism
Connectorism
or
or
ism mawsul. So this is the new kind of word that we are going to learn today. Okay. So connectorism or ism mawsul. Okay. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can, because I'm gonna erase all these and scroll down.
okay.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. So what was the meaning of this sentence? Man zalika rajulu tawilu allazi kharaja al-ana min al-madrasati. Man zalika rajulu tawilu.
Who is that man, that tall man who just came out of the school?
Very good. Now the next one. هو المدير الجديد.
مدير جديد. Who is the new principal?
He. It's
Oh,
not who. Yeah,
he is.
huwa is he. He is the new principal. Very good. Now try to translate this one. ومن الولد الصغير. Waladu is boy. Saghiru short boy. Okay. ومن الولد الصغير الذي خرج الآن من الفصل. Fasli is class. Same
who-
pattern.
And who is that boy? Is that short? Or is that small boy? Who just came out of the class?
Yes, excellent. So what did you say? Let me write it down.
And who is
Okay. Who is that
that small
okay, small
boy
boy who
just
just
came out of the class?
came out of the class? You can write it on your book also, so that you know next time when you read it for homework or rereading. Okay, huwa ibnul mudiril huwa ibnul mudiril jadidi. Ibnu means son.
He is the principal's new son.
New principal's
Or the new principal's son.
son. New principal's son. Okay. Tell me what fragment do you see here? Huwa and Ibnu, are they related?
No.
No. Okay. What about Ibnul Mudiri?
Ibnu, it cannot be Jar Majrur, and it
Ibnu is light or what?
is it Mudaf? Mudaf ilayh?
Yeah, because there are two reasons for an ism to be in jar status. Either it's a ism majroor or a mudaf ilayh. So as you said, it cannot be jar majroor. Then next possibility is mudaf ilayh, right? Mudiri, al-mudiri being a mudaf ilayh. It can be a mudaf ilayh if it is preceded by an ism which is light with no alif lam. Do you see alif lam over here? Al ibnu
No.
and single dhamma,
No.
light. So this is what this is
Mudaf.
mudaf ilayh. What about, do you see another fragment, some other kind?
Al-Mudiri Jadidi.
Which kind?
Is it Mawsuf Sifa?
Yes. Tell me the SNGT of these two. If they are Mawsuf Sifa, then obviously they are going to match. Status of both?
Jar.
Both are jar. Okay. Number of both?
Singular.
Okay. Gender of both?
Masculine.
And then type.
Proper.
Proper. Why proper?
Because of alif lam.
Because of alif lam. Okay. Good. So these are like, alhamdulillah, we did the first page. We completed this one. Let me see if we have more sentences in this part of the sentence. Oh, I need to erase first and then scroll down. Oh, we have more sentences. Okay, let's finish these sentences and oh, but let me see. No, we don't have ism mawsul in these sentences. Let me show you. Let me show you what are ism mawsul. We just learned this allazi, which is connectorism, and this is a new type of ism, right? And it is these kind of ism are always proper. Okay, so let me show you. Hold on. Connectorism. Or hold on. Okay, these are ism mawsul. Okay, can you see this part, this chart? Allazi, you just saw allazi. Allazi means the one who. Allazina means those who. So allazi is singular. Athar?
Yes.
Okay, you are here. Okay. Allazi is singular. The one who. Allazina. Allazina, those who. Okay. So this is singular masculine. Allazi is singular and masculine. Okay. Allazina, those who. Allazina is plural and masculine. Allati means the one who, and it's about female. Okay. Allati, if you are talking about a girl, then allati. If you are talking about a boy or a masculine ism, then allazi. Okay. And if someone is talking about a girl, then they are going to use allati for that girl or feminine ism. So allati is for singular feminism. Okay. And allati, allawati, and allai. These are three forms of plural feminine. Those who are female. Okay. Those and all of them are female. Are you getting the point? So these are connectorism, and ma and man can also be connectorism if they are coming in the middle of the sentence. You learn man in some of the question sentences that over there man was coming in at the beginning of the sentence, so it was ism istifham, the word for a question word, word. Okay. So ma is means what, man is who. But when these come in between the sentence, sometimes they act as connectorism. They act, their action is multiple. Ma and man can take can be doing different actions, but sometimes they are connector. And when they most of the time when they come at the beginning of the sentence, then it's a question word. So just keep in mind that these are like allazi, allazina, allati, allati, allawati, and allai. These are connectorism, and sometimes ma and man, they also act as connectorism. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Can you note down this part? This is connectorism, ism mawsul. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is these are basics about ism mawsul or connectorism, and inshallah we are going to learn more as we go through chapters and different sentences, new type of sentences. Okay. Now, another different, let me see if we have time to go with these sentences. Athar,
Yes.
do you have time to, so that we can complete these sentences like on before exercise?
Yes.
Okay. Liman tilka sayyaratul jamilatu. Liman, li is what?
Li. Li.
Bita ka aflam waw min fi an ala hatta ila.
Harf.
Yeah. So li is for. Li means for. Liman,
Or for who is that?
for whom is that?
For whom is that beautiful car?
Excellent, excellent. For whom is that beautiful car? So can you identify fragments in this one, in this sentence? Quickly. Tilka is what?
Tilka is pointer.
Pointer, and it is followed by al. So this is
Pointer fragment.
pointer fragment. Okay, this is pointer fragment. What about as-sayyaratul jamilatu?
Is Mososifa.
Excellent. So these are two segments over here. Now here lil mudir al jadidi. Why mudiri is jar in status?
Which one?
Here lil mudir al jadidi. Why mudiri is jar in status?
Because it's Mososifa with Al Jadidi, and Al Jadidi is jar.
Yeah, but what about this li? What was the question? Liman, for whom? So answer would be?
Oh, it's harf jar.
Yeah, li is harf jar. Here lil mudiri. This is for the principal who is new. Okay. So al-mudirul jadidi is what? Which fragment? Mudiril jadidi. Al-mudiril jadidi.
Is Mososifa.
Okay. Mawsuf sifa. Why here is there? Why not huwa?
Because the principal is a girl.
No. Principal is there is no jadidatin or al jadidati. If it was like mudir, the word mudir, if word mudir would be feminine, then it would have been al jadidati, but it's not. Here is pointing to what was the subject in the previous sentence they were asking for. Yeah, they were asking for the
Car.
liman tilka sayyaratu. They were asking for the car, a sayyaratu.
Mm-hmm.
So now I give you, I give it away.
The principal.
Here is referring to car, and car is,
Car. The subject.
yeah, car is subject, but car is masculine or feminine?
Oh, feminine.
Why?
Because the Arabic decided that.
Huh? Arabic? Oh,
The
no, it's not because the Arab said so. It has a very, like, you can identify very clearly. You can see the sign. Sayyaratul jamilatu. As-sayyaratul jamilatu.
is it because of Jamila too?
Ta marbuta. Athar. Ta
Yeah.
marbuta. So this is because here is pointing to the as-sayyaratu. So as-sayyaratu is feminine with ta marbuta, which is very visible, prominent. So that's why it's a feminine, and here is, that's why here is there, not huwa. Okay. So it's not because the Arab said so. It's because ta marbuta is there. Okay. Okay. Next one. Liman hazal kitabul kabiru.
Uh, for whom is this big book?
Excellent. For whom is this book, big book? Again, hazal kitabu is what?
Uh,
What fragment hazal kitabu is?
pointer.
And what fragment al kitabul kabiru is?
Mosul Sifa.
Okay. So for whom is this big book? Huwa lil mudarrisi? Is huwa, is this, or is it lil mudarrisi?
It is teachers.
For the teacher. Is this for the teacher? La.
No.
No. Huwa,
It
it, lit talibati. Li for
for the small student.
the small student. And what's the gender of that student?
Uh, female.
Female. So why huwa?
Uh,
Huwa is coming for, huwa is pointing to whom? Huwa is a pronoun. So huwa is it is being used for what?
the student.
Uh-huh.
I don't know the book.
Yeah, the big book. So huwa is here for big book. So huwa is going back to that book in the question. Okay. So most of the time pronouns, they are referring to some ism before it. That's why we call that this pronoun has a marje, is referring back. Okay. So la huwa lit talibati saghirati. La, no, it is for the small student or short student. Okay. Ainal mil akatu saghiratu. Aina,
Uh, where is
Mil'aqatu, spoon.
the small spoon?
Yeah, where is the small spoon? Hiya fil kubi,
Yeah, it is in the
bowl.
bowl.
Yeah, it is in the bowl. So it is in the bowl. Here again, referring to what? Cube or what?
The spoon.
Yeah, the spoon. And why it is here?
Because the spoon has tamar.
Excellent. So because the spoon has tamar puta. Okay. Let me scroll it down. Okay. Ainal kursiyul maksuru.
Where is the broken chair?
Where is the broken chair? Hua,
It is
it is there.
it
It is
is
over there. Over there.
it is over there.
Yeah, it is over there. Okay, so the thing is, this time I'm giving you a written homework. Okay, so you are going to write all these sentences and in Arabic. Okay, and write its meaning in front of it. Okay,
Okay.
page 65. Write all sentences in its English translation, and I circle or square all the fragment also. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, this is your homework, inshallah. Okay, so inshallah, see you next time, and try to you did take screenshots. Okay, so try to revise those things. Harfjar, special mudaf chart, and ism mawsul. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.